Welcome to PcomLap. In today's video, we are diving into Gamma AI, a powerful tool that helps you create beautiful presentations in minutes just by using ChatGPT style prompts from idea to export. Let's see how Gamma can transform your slides. First of all, go to your any web browser like Chrome, MS Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. First, head to gamma.app and sign in using your email or Google account. I have Google account, so I am continuing with the Google account. Customize your account. Once you are in, click on New Presentation, then type your topic you would to ChatGPT. For example, if you want to create any presentation, go to ChatGPT and enter the prompt, or I can say the topic that you want to generate from the Gamma AI. For example, if you want to create a presentation on cybersecurity basics for beginners, then type it into the ChatGPT. It will give you the prompt for the Gamma AI. Gamma will now auto-generate slides with content structure and visuals in just seconds. You can easily edit the text, change layout, or add new sections as per your need. Now, let's customize it. Click on any slide to change background or theme, edit bullets and points or titles, add icons, charts or images. From the right sidebar, you can add animations, videos, and etc. The best part, you don't need to be a designer. Gamma uses AI to keep your designs clean and professional. The quiz is about what does the acronym VPN stand for? Visual Processing Network, Virtual Private Network, Visual Protocol Networking, Visual Protocol Network. Comment your answer below in 5 seconds. Let's see who's paying attention. I will give shout out to all my amazing viewers. Thank you for watching and supporting PcomLab. If you want to present your PPT on Gamma AI, just click on the present. Ready to save your slides? Go to share, then click the export button at the top right corner. Choose download as .pptx and your entire presentation will be saved and ready to open in Microsoft PowerPoint. It's that easy. So now here's a quick tip to remove the Gamma branding logo from your exported file. After opening the presentation, select any slide where the logo appears. Then go to View tab. After going to View tab, open Slide Master and delete the Gamma logo from there. Do it for every slide. After removing the Gamma branding logo, this is all about Gamma AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to PcomLap and share with your friends. Explore more AI tools and tech tutorials right here every weekend. Comment below what topic you want us to cover next. Until then, keep exploring, keep creating, tech beyond expectations. Thanks for watching.